Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Very easy, simple and fast tutorial today about how to apply a coupon code on Temu. So guys, where you have your account, as you can see mine is right over here, right above my mouse. Just click on there and you'll be taken to the settings. After that, my friends, as you can see, you will have a coupons and offers tab right over here. So when you have your coupon, you can just enter it right here, and when you'll be checking out, you'll be able to use a special discount that this coupon will give you, right? So anywhere from 5 to sometimes 90% off, but because Temu are notoriously known for having insane discounts for multiple products, as you can see right over here, you can save extra, save extra, save extra, so they have a lot of discounts. I personally purchased items from here. Yeah, like a very, very good service, very good shop. It just depends on the quality of the items, but yeah, that depends on the seller. But anyway, this is how you basically use your coupons. As you can see, I haven't used any yet. I don't have an expired ones as well. I just don't use them because of some reason. I don't know why. But that's pretty much it, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed the tutorial. Like and subscribe. See you in the next one.